Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. The Honorable Lecturer, Ms. Hedi Susati, Magister of Education, as a lecturer in tourism course, and all my friends. Today we are from Group 9. I'm Amelia Lindley as moderator in this discussion, and there are Madison Piananelli and Safira Aulia who will present today's material. We are divided our presentation into three parts. First, the presentation of material. Second is question and answer session. And the last, conclusion and closing session. Okay, first, we'll be looking at introduction. Tourism has a complex impact, both positive and negative, on society and the environment. On the hand, tourism can provide significant economic benefits, including job creation, increased revenue, and the representation, preservation of cultural heritage and historical. Tourism can also facilitate cross-cultural understanding and foster better international relations. However, rapid and unplanned growth in tourism can lead to environmental problems such as pollution and ecosystem degradation. Tourism can also create social issues, including civic and cultural values over tourists and the alienation of local residents. Lifestyle change and the decline in local tradition may occur due to pressure from the tourist industry, which often prioritize and interests of visitors. Furthermore, tourism can pose a threat to public health, with risk of spreading diseases and other dangerous conditions. The phenomenon of over-tourism can lead to conflict between local residents and tourists, as well as cause damage to sites and culture that are meant to be preserved. To maximize benefit and minimize negative impact, careful planning and responsible tourist policies are required. The concept of responsible tourism includes sustainable resource management, maintaining healthy social interaction between tourists and local residents, and protecting cultural heritage and their natural environment. Jadi, pariwisata atau socio-cultural dalam bidang pariwisata ini memberikan manfaat ekonomi dan juga budaya, namun juga menimbulkan masalah lingkungan dan sosial jika tidak dikelola dengan baik. Manfaatnya termasuk lapangan kerja, pendapatan, dan pelestarian budaya. Namun, pertumbuhan pariwisata yang cepat dapat menyebabkan polusi, kerusakan ekosistem, perubahan nilai budaya, dan kesehatan publik juga menjadi risiko. Untuk memaksimalkan manfaat dan meminimalkan dampak negatif, maka diperlukan perencanaan yang baik dan kebijakan pariwisata yang bertanggung jawab, termasuk pengelolaan sumber daya yang berkelanjutan dan perlindungan budaya. Next will be explained by Modesta Yopiananensi.
The next material is legislation, and advice protecting the tourist destination. Awareness of the need for planning is the first step in controlling the adverse effects of mass tourism. Although this awareness has existed since the 1960, it wasn't until the 1980 that various stakeholders began to take actions. Organizations like the World Tourism Organization, or WTO, and the United Nations Environment Programme, or UNEP, issued a joint declaration in 1982 calling for rational tourism management to protect the environment and culture. The following year, they proposed zoning strategies to prevent the need for mass tourism. The concept of responsible tourism, including eco-tourism, soft tourism, and sustainable tourism, began gaining attention with a focus on sustainable resources use, reducing overconsumption, and Professor Lee Carter University in 1992. Tourism Culture, a UK-based organization, issues that principle emphasizing emphasizing the importance of balancing socio-cultural and environmental aspects. The influence of the Brundtland Report in 1987, which defines sustainable development as a development that means that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Laid the foundation for various international conferences, including the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro in 1992, Agenda 21, and outcome of this conference provide guidelines for integrating development and sustainability. Organizations like the United Nations World Tourism Organization or UNWTO and the World Travel and Tourism Council or WTTC advocate for sustainable development principles, recommending the use of local building materials, recycling, and agricultural labor. The Association of Independent Tour Operators, or AITO, also recognizes members who practice responsible tourism based on various criteria such as environmental protection and respect for local cultures. Several examples for sustainable tourism initiatives include the SAP program in Cyprus, which encourage tourists to visit inland villages, providing economic and social benefits to local residents. In Gambia, a program that helps local traders sell their products directly to tourists, reduce complaints on the beaches. The aim improve the quality of local products. With the research, the tourism industry can move toward a more sustainable future, reducing negative impact and maximizing benefits for society and environment. Next slide. Culture transgressions. Culture, the first one is culture benefits of tourism. Culture benefits of tourism. While tourism can live off culture decline, it has also revived interest in local tradition and craft, regenerating regional cultures. Example include the revival of traditional dance in England and renewed interest in tribal customs in developing countries. The second is cultural transgressions. Cultural transgression. Some tourists engage inappropriate behavior, especially when freed from the usual social constraints, leading to conflicts with locals. This has been observed in some European resorts where excessive drinking and disruptive behavior have driven away family-friendly tourism. Third is religious and cultural sensitivity. Religious and cultural sensitivity in certain regions, particularly in Islamic countries. Culture difference tied to religion can lead to conflicts if tourists do not respect local custom and laws. Instance of inappropriate beachwear or public drunkenness can result in stricter enforcement and reduced tolerance. Last is commercialization. and culture loss. Commercialization and culture loss. The search for souvenirs can lead to the mass production of artifacts and the lost cultural treasures. Mass-produced airport art and stage material entertainment are examples of how tourism can influence the accommodation of culture. Overall, tourism impact on cultures and societies complex with both positive and negative outcomes. The challenge lies in finding a balance that allows for cultural exchange without undermining local tradition and lifestyle. Cultural transmission by a small but noticeable group of British tourists have made them under welcome in several popular European resorts, attracted by the promise of cheap alcohol, 24-hour entertainment, and readily available sex. These tourists often exhibit unruly behavior resulting in conflicts with locals. And research like Benesas and famous on Corfu, Ibiza in the Belarus and Belarus of Borders experienced a decline in racial markets due to the disruptive behavior of these tourists. Local authorities respond by imposing corpus licensing for travelers, employing undercover police, and attempting to contain those groups in design zones. And ingredients with strong religious or cultural ties, such as Islamic countries in the Middle East, conflicts can escalate when tourists disregard local customs. In summary, this disruptive behavior by tourists can have a long-term negative effects on destination, impacting local communities and leading to cultural conflicts. Effort to mitigate these effects require careful management and sensitivity to local custom and traditions. The next slide. The exploitation of indigenous population. Tourism has been criticized for exploitation of indigenous population, with industries, stakeholders, and local authorities prioritizing development over local communities, leading to ethical concerns. Tourism, while beneficial in many respects, has faced serious criticism for the exploitation of indigenous population. Industry stakeholders and local authorities in various destinations have often criticized tourism development at the expense of local communities, leading to significant ethical concerns. Here the key issues. The first one, forced relocation. Indigenous groups have been forcibly removed from their ancestral lands to make way for tourist attraction and development. And the second is exploitation of labor. Tourism can involve exploitation, particularly workers in trekking and mountaineering tours, and the last is exploitation and child labor. The tourism industry has been linked to sexual exploitation, including that of minors, especially in developing countries. The next slide. The social cultural impacts of tourism. Tourism significantly impacts host countries. housing, increased crime, and social problems in major cities and popular tourist destinations due to the influx of diverse tourists. When the first negative has a negative impact. The first one is increased crime. Increased crime, the influx of wealthy tourists can attract petty crimes such as theft or robbery as observed in several well-known tourist spots like Florida and some Eastern European countries. And second, sexual exploitation. Some countries with more relaxed laws regarding sexual behavior attract tourists seeking sexual encounters with some tour operators only offering sex tours to places like the Philippines and Thailand. The third is relative deprivation. Relative deprivation, the world of tourists can create feelings of envy or dissatisfaction among the local population, leading to discontent with their own standard of living and encouraging them to adopt tourist lifestyle, sometimes at the expense of local traditions. And the third, breakdown in host-guest relations. The relationship between hosts and tourists are often commercial and superficial, with little spontaneity and usually limited to financial transactions. This can create a status gap and a perception of exploitation. And last is erosion of local traditions. Erosion of local tradition includes of tourists can lead to the adoption of foreign cultures, replacing local tradition, which can erode cultural identity and fundamental values. And the next slide. Okay, the next slide is a positive impacts. A positive impacts increase job opportunities. Tourists can create new job opportunities for local residents, although this sometimes means workers moving from agricultural activities to the tourism industry, potentially affecting social structures. This improve cultural understanding. Tourists interested in local culture can contribute to the preservation and appreciation of local tradition. The solution is addressing the negative impacts. Okay, the solution addressing these negative impacts requires a responsible approach to tourism development. The role of tour guide as culture blockers becomes crucial in preventing misunderstanding. Implementing models to manage tourist growth, such as Doxy direct model, can help understand how tourism affects local communities from early stage to the point of urban development. By understanding the impacts and adopting sustainable tourism practice, healthier relationship between host and tourist can be maintained while minimizing negative impacts of local communities and cultures. Okay, the next material will explain by Sabina.
The first impact on tourists can have significant impact on both tourists and local communities they visit, while the effect of tourists on local have been extensively studied. yes. Now, about how about inclusion? Point A, test of tourist annotation. Tourists often go through the test when adapting to a new culture. Initially, they are excited by the novelty and of the environment. Point B, people attitude can affect how tourists experience their travel. If tourists expect positive experience, they are more likely to travel. Point C, second forms and impact. The rise in second forms of ownership abroad in certain regions of the country have scarce issues, including variable of property rights, infrastructure and housing resettlement among locals. Point D, sex of tourists often seek experience, which can make account tourists or commercialize local elements. The set of capacity can leading to mass product development and physical experience. Next slide. Managing the social impact of tourism. The manage the social impact of tourism on indigenous population. The case strategies are important. A. Integration with local communities. This approach fosters positive interaction between tourists and local, encouraging cultural exchange. It involves controlling physical numbers and avoids overwhelming the local population. Mainly, consulting tourists in specific areas. This strategy can often help tourists just home. I experiment my strategy with tourists and local by contributing tourists to designate extras, usually away from resident areas. Government government colleges are thinking of attracting mass tourism to target specific markets, typically while they tourists who are less likely to impact on local people. The impact of travel on tourist health. Tourism can bring the positive environmental effect, while it can further tourism and introduce them to new products. It also works the healthy living. Point out, sunburn and cancer. Tourism often expose themselves to the sun, leading to sunburn and interface of the new cancer. This is exacerbated by the deposition of the ozone layer and higher alcohol consumption will contribute to seriousness in some protection. Twenty, type of cancer. There are two types of skin cancer.
carcinoma, and melanoma. Carcinoma results from the low sun exposure, and melanoma results from the sun intense sun exposure. Point C, ultraviolet rays. UFA and UFB rays cause lazy skin. UFA rays are linked to long-term effects like wrinkles and pimple spots. While UFB rays are more damaging and can lead to sunburn and skin cancer. Point D, other health risks. Tourists can also pass contaminant leading to ailments like hepatitis, dysentery, and stomach upset. Tropical diseases such as malaria and outbreak of SARS are other healthy concerns. Point A, education and prevention. The day of the test graphic education, but of cost and tourism. The travel industry has responsibility in inform tourists about outside health and safety measures through broadcast, website, and resort descriptive. Next slide. Political effects. Tourism can have significant political and cultural effects. When large number of tourists visit a country, it can often encourage political change. I think that during the 2008 policy in China. However, there is some controversy over whether tourists should visit countries with authoritarian regimes such as Myanmar. Ada banyak sekali menunjukkan bahwa tourism is terrorism, which can affect personal and health economy that really on tourism. The common guidance program from ethics can be inconsistent ready to take amount effort. Overall, tourism can encourage positive political change, but it can also destabilize tourism and political is not
Okay, material is bringing economic benefit to local. To ensure sustainable tourism, communities should be involved in all stages of tourism development. Include consulting local encourage their participation and ensuring the benefit through employment, the business, ownership. Key challenges include education and training. Jadi untuk memastikan pariwisata berkelanjutan itu masyarakat lokal harus melibatkan dalam setiap masyarakat lokal itu harus dilibatkan dalam setiap tahap pengembangan pariwisata. Ini membutuhkan partisipasi, dan juga memastikan mereka untuk mendapatkan manfaat melalui pekerjaan dan kepemilikan bisnis. Kemudian untuk tantangannya ini termasuk pendidikan dan pelatihan, di mana di sini masyarakat lokal perlu diberi pendidikan dan pelatihan untuk mengelola bisnis pariwisata secara efektif. Kemudian untuk akses ke investasinya sendiri, untuk masyarakat lokal itu mereka sering memerlukan bantuan keuangan untuk berinvestasi dalam usaha pariwisata. Di sini contoh pengembangan pariwisata yang dianggap berhasil itu ada di desa berkelanjutan yang terdapat di negara Hungaria itu melibatkan kelompok kecil dengan dominasi lokal dan menggunakan pemandu lokal dan mendukung konservasi setempat melalui pendapatan pariwisata. Oke. Now we go on to question and answer session. If you want to ask, please raise your hand and don't forget to mention your name and your group. Yes, please.
My name is Monica Eka. I'm from Peru. How can local communities benefit economically or from tourism according to the text? How can local communities benefit economically from tourism according to the text?
And my question is, what are the main positive economic impacts on tourism for society as mentioned in this? Main positive economic impacts on tourism.
Yes. Literacy and group 7. What are some strategies to mitigate the social and economic impact of tourism? What are some strategies to mitigate the negative social and environmental effects of tourism?
Okay, we will answer the question from Monica. Thank you for the question. The question is, how can our communities benefit economically from tourism according to the text? Local communities can benefit economically from tourism through involvement in all stages of tourism development, education and training to manage tourist business, access to financial assistance for investment in tourism-related ventures and employment opportunities. Example of successful initiatives include gathering guidance in the Sinai Peninsula and the Sustainable Village project in the Gomer Solas, Hungary. That's all for me. Apakah ada berat atau mau menambahkan? Sudah jelas. Organization from Mary. The question is, what are the many positive economic impacts of tourism on society as mentioned in the next slide? The main positive economic impact of tourism on society include job creation, revenue, and the preservation of cultural heritage and historical sites. So the benefit can significantly enhance the local economy and improve the quality of life for residents. Jadi di sini saya mengambil contoh untuk yang penciptaan lapangan kerja itu kita bisa mengambil contoh industri pariwisata di Bali. Nah di Bali itu ada banyak sekali tempat wisata. Tentu saja itu menciptakan banyak lapangan kerja bagi penduduk lokal. Nah mulai dari pekerja hotel, restoran, kemudian menjadi pemandu wisata, mungkin boleh juga. Kemudian untuk peningkatan pendapatan itu main positif impact yang kedua itu peningkatan pendapatan. Saya mengambil contoh destinasi populer seperti Candi Borobudur, di mana di situ mereka turis biasanya menginap, dan juga di area Candi Borobudur itu tentunya terdapat UMKM jual segala makanan, kemudian apa namanya ya, buah tangan, oleh-oleh sekitar situ. Kemudian untuk yang ketiga itu untuk yang pelestarian budaya dan warisan, itu contohnya masih di Candi Borobudur itu digunakan untuk pemeliharaan situs tentunya, dan juga untuk peningkatan infrastruktur di sekitar kompleks candi tersebut. Jadi itu manfaatnya sudah jelas. Kalau ada yang bisa ditambahkan dari teman-teman sekalian.
I will answer question from Mila. The question is, what are some strategies to mitigate the negative social and environmental effect of tourism? Strategies to mitigate the negative impact include careful planning and responsible tourism policies, sustainable resource management, maintaining healthy social interaction between tourists and local residents, protecting cultural heritage and natural environment, integrating tourists with local communities, and concentrating tourists in specific areas to minimize cultural disruption. Is it clear?
Okay, now we go to the final session of our discussion today, that is conclusion. So tourism offers significant economic benefit, but also bring risk to society and the environment. Responsible tourism planning and policies are essential to protect destination and culture. While tourism benefits local traditional and can also cause conflict and exploitation. To manage this impact, integration with local communities and concentrating tourists in specific areas are crucial strategies. Education and prevention efforts are needed to protect tourist health. Tourism can also influence political and cultural change. So, the communication and guidance are necessary involving local communities in tourist development. Through education, training, and investment access ensure sustainable economic benefit. So that's all our presentation today. Sorry if there are many shortcomings and many mistakes. Good afternoon and thank you.